Hi everyone, I'm Error Slayer and today I'll show you how to change Telegram download location on your PC or laptop. First, open Telegram desktop. Then click the menu icon. Click on Settings. Then click the Advanced tab. Click on the download path. Check the custom folder box. Next, from the window that opens, select where you want Telegram media to be downloaded from now on. Finally, click the Select Folder button. Then click Save. As you can see, the download path has changed. From now on, every file you download from Telegram will be downloaded to the folder you choose. I hope this how to change Telegram download location on PC or laptop guide video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.